Today, we got American Deli. No cap. I love the hot lemon pepper sprinkles. I always got to tap in because that's one of my favorites. Let's see what they got. Motherfucker here. The fries got to be really crispy, though. Okay, you hit a little bit. No cap. I ain't mad on the fry. Chicken tender sandwich. You know, I'm gonna usually go to Chick-fil-A, get mine, but let's see. It got a nice crunch to it. Right. It's cool. I give it 7 out of 10. Do with that shrimp right. You talking about? Let me see if that 50 flow eating her bite. Let me see. Hot. That shit hot as hell. I want to let me hell no. Right on that. Can't forget the peekaboo. Get that motherfucking exotic. No cap. Let me see what's going on. Oh, that motherfucker hen. That goddamn grandma motherfucker 10 out of 10. No cap. Oh.